In a world of vibrant veggies, one humble cruciferous contender rises above the rest: the cauliflower. Cauliflower's roots can be traced back to the Mediterranean region, where it was first cultivated over 2,000 years ago. Watch my video to the end, please subscribe. Thank you. Ancient Romans were among the first to embrace this unique vegetable, and they even had a special name for it: sema, meaning cabbage sprout. Cauliflower is believed to have originated in the Mediterranean region, possibly derived from wild cabbage varieties cultivated by ancient Greeks and Romans. Pliny the Elder, a Roman scholar, referred to a plant called sema in the 1st century AD, which is thought to be an early form of cauliflower. A vegetable of lore, both bold and mild, cauliflower, nature's art compiled. These ancient agrarians marveled at the plant's unique, fractal-like structure and its snow-white curds. They began selectively breeding it, transforming it from a wild plant into the familiar cauliflower we know today. Cauliflower soon found its way onto the tables of emperors and peasants alike, earning a reputation as a delicacy fit for royalty. In gardens green, it takes its place, cauliflower, with its snowy grace. During the Middle Ages, cauliflower was associated with the island of Cyprus, where Arab botanists like Ibn al-Awwam and Ibn al-Badr claimed it originated. It was known as Cyprus colewort, and cauliflower seeds from Cyprus were traded extensively in Western Europe until the 16th century. During the Middle Ages, cauliflower made its way across Europe, where it became a staple in royal kitchens and monastery gardens. Cauliflower is believed to have been introduced to Italy from Cyprus or the eastern Mediterranean around 1490. It then spread to other European countries in the following centuries. In France, it was featured in Olivier de Serres' agricultural work in 1600, though it did not become common on grand tables until the time of Louis XIV. Cauliflower was brought to India in 1822 by the British, and it eventually became a popular ingredient in Indian cuisine, featuring Indian dishes like aloo gobi, phul khair dalma, and gobi paratha. Cauliflower made its way to the New World with European settlers, quickly becoming a staple crop. American gardeners and cultivators experimented with different varieties, developing larger heads, improved flavors, and higher yields. Cauliflower's appeal goes beyond the realm of taste. Cauliflower was associated with fine European dining and became a popular greenhouse crop around American cities. Cauliflower is packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate, making it a nutritional powerhouse. Health benefits: antioxidant properties. Cauliflower is rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, manganese, and phytochemicals like glycosylates, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Digestive health. The fiber content in cauliflower aids in promoting a healthy digestive system, supporting regular bowel movements and maintaining a balanced gut microbiome. Weight management. With its low calorie count and high fiber content, cauliflower can be an excellent addition to a weight management diet, providing a sense of fullness while contributing few calories. Bone health. Cauliflower is an excellent source of vitamin K, which plays a crucial role in bone metabolism and helps maintain strong, healthy bones. They help inactivate carcinogens, induce apoptosis, cell death, in cancer cells, and inhibit tumor growth and metastasis. Supports heart health. The fiber, antioxidants, and sulforaphane in cauliflower may help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Its high potassium content also helps regulate blood pressure. Good source of choline. Cauliflower provides a good amount of choline, an essential nutrient involved in brain development, nerve function, and liver health. Supports prenatal health. The folate and other nutrients in cauliflower are beneficial during pregnancy, reducing the risk of neural tube defects and promoting fetal development. Boosts immunity. With its vitamin C, antioxidants, and sulforaphane content, cauliflower may help strengthen the immune system and reduce inflammation. With each bite, a crunch so sweet, nutrient-packed, a wholesome treat. In the kitchen it is truly remarkable. From roasting and grilling to mashing and pureeing. Or in nutritious, delicious cauliflower soups. In recent years, cauliflower has gained popularity as a low-carb alternative to rice, pizza crusts, and even bread, making it a healthy, valuable ingredient. Aim for shorter cooking times or eat it raw to retain more nutrients. Recipe: roasted garlic parmesan cauliflower. Ingredients: 1 large head of cauliflower, cut into florets, 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme. Salt and black pepper to taste. Fresh parsley, chopped, for garnish. Instructions: preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, and line a baking sheet with parchment paper or lightly grease it with olive oil. Prepare the cauliflower. Wash the cauliflower thoroughly and cut it into bite-sized florets. Place the florets in a large mixing bowl. Season the cauliflower. In the bowl with cauliflower florets, add minced garlic, olive oil, dried oregano, dried thyme, salt, and black pepper. Toss until the cauliflower is evenly coated with the seasonings. Spread on baking sheet. Spread the seasoned cauliflower florets in a single layer on the prepared baking sheet, making sure they are not crowded. This will ensure even roasting. Roast in the oven. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven and roast the cauliflower for about 20-25 minutes, or until the florets are tender and golden brown, tossing halfway through cooking. Add Parmesan cheese. Once the cauliflower is roasted to perfection, sprinkle the grated Parmesan cheese evenly over the top of the florets. Return to oven. Return the baking sheet to the oven and roast for an additional 5 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and slightly crispy. Garnish and serve. Remove the roasted garlic Parmesan cauliflower from the oven and garnish with freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and freshness. Enjoy! The next time you sit down to enjoy a plate of cauliflower, remember, you're not just eating a vegetable, you're savoring a slice of history and health. It is time for a funny dialogue between cauliflower and broccoli. Cauliflower: hey broccoli, have you taken a good look at my florets lately? Pristine white, perfectly shaped, a true work of art. Broccoli: are you kidding me? Your florets look like a bunch of tiny brains. Now mine, these vibrant green beauties are the real showstoppers. Cauliflower: peeved, your florets look like little trees gone wild. You call that attractive? Broccoli: at least my florets have some color and personality. Yours are just bland and boring. Cauliflower: bland? I'll have you know my florets are colorful, the epitome of elegance and sophistication. Broccoli: my florets are lush, verdant crowns fit for royalty. Yours are sad pom-poms. Cauliflower: sad pom-poms? Now you've gone too far. My florets could put any cheerleader's pom-poms to shame with their perfect, tight curls. Broccoli: yeah, if those cheerleaders wanted to whip people with sad, limp florets. My florets are going to kick your scrawny little tree butts. What did the broccoli say when the cauliflower got a new haircut? Ha! What haircut? You have no hair. Let us sing this ode today, to magic cauliflower, in every way. Stay happy and healthy. I will see you in my next nutritious episode. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.